We are eating popsicles.
Yeah.
And we are about to show you some more of Austin
popsicles.
Some more cards that I made.
Yeah, we bought some more.
So what pack are you gonna go for first, Austin?
But wait.
Okay.
Throw this away.
Sorry about that. Maybe we shouldn't have filmed this with a popsicle, but
hey,
that's fine.
At least we're still here.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm gonna open these in the order that you placed them.
Okay.
So, first one is Steelix and Gyarados. Look at that level. You see, when we were like 6 or something, we thought that Generation 3 was like pretty recent.
Mm-hmm. I searched up on Google and I saw Trico, Torchic, and Mudkip. And I just searched up Pokemon and then there were all these Gen 3s. I was like, what the heck? I guess these are new. And then we just started watching the anime like every day.
Yeah, on Netflix.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah,
so that's
why we know why that Lotad sounds like that. I'm guessing a Lombre will be in this pack. Ram and roll out. Of course, it's your good old boy Wooloo. I was really wanting you to put a Gen 8 guy, and you did put a Galar guy, and I already knew that Scatterbug was in. Well, I knew that Scatterbug was in this, though, because Noah told me a sneak peek of one.
Okay, so the next pack, Austin.
Alright, this one, I think, is the one that's filled.
Yeah, there's actually one pack that has like 8, 9, or 10 cards in it.
Yeah. Let's see. First one. Oh, a trainer card. And it's none other than Chairman Rose from the latest Sword and Shield thing.
Direct.
Yeah. Well, it wasn't a direct, it was just a trailer.
Oh, yeah.
He wasn't revealed live. Switch out your Pokemon with any Galar Pokemon. Ooh. Another Galar guy. Oh, Creamy. How much Galar Pokemon did you put in?
Let's see.
Where's the scare? Oh, I can already see this one through it, and it's really cute. Yeah, Helioptile. Look at him. Alright. Ooh. Oh! Look at this boy. Groudon.
Yeah.
His hand is sticking out. Well, I knew that it was an EX. Oh, another Galar boy. Corviknight. Oh. Wait. There. Can you recognize that that's Corviknight? I think you can.
At first, I couldn't.
Yep, this is the one that I knew. It's got String Shot and Tackle. It's Stupa. Alright. Clink. They're out of Gear Maker. Gear Grind and Charge Beam. Mawile.
I looked back at the picture of Mawile and I saw that the head was way bigger in the back.
Sucker Punch and Iron Head. Last Pokemon in this pack is... Oh! The rare is...
Zacian and Zamazenta tag teams.
It's got Shield of Justice, Sword of Trust, and Allied Heroes GX. You know, all the GX Pokemon in this so far have been tag teams.
Oh, you'll see what else is in there.
Alright, now we've got this one. Alright.
First card. What do you pull?
Luna!
Lisa.
Psybeam and
Zen Headbutt.
Oh, I was thinking it was Zen something else. Like something else than Zen Headbutt. Oh, wait. Oh! I thought it was like a Wooper, but no! This is gonna be the most hilarious card you've ever seen. Mime Jr.
I was going to say, Mr. Mine's about to slap you.
Oh! Oh!
Shaman GX.
Magical Leaf, Energy Ball, and Synthesis GX. Alright, last pack. The Darkness Duo. Let's see what we pull from this one. And Clang. It's Clang. If you don't know.
You said that.
Yeah. Oh. Helioptile, you gotta have Heliolisk.
You like the hollow?
Yeah. And I can see this one.
Also gave me the idea of this card. It is so cool. It's my first full art. Sigilyph plus Unknown GX.
Very ancient power.
Yeah. And its special move is 27 Terror.
Yeah.
And so written in Unknown language.
Ooh.
And then it says GX in Unknown. And also, it just says 250 because I didn't want to use up any more room.
That's really neat. Oh, hey, you didn't tell me that there was flying energy in this.
Oh, yeah, there is. There's flying energy in one of the other ones.
Oh. Which one? Wait, where's the rock energy? Is this the rock energy?
No, that is ground.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah, it's on Corviknight.
Ground.
So, I'm gonna keep this here so it can be our thumbnail.
Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. Share it with your girlfriend.
What?
Whatever. Do whatever you want with it. Make it your stuffed animal.
Okay, bye.
Have your grandma